Welcome to Concord. Hello there, I welcome you to the intro tutorial about amount transfer as publisher. First, click on the login button at the top of the home page. Now, a login page will be opened in front of you. Enter all of your login credentials and click Sign In. Now, you will be redirected to the dashboard. I am login as a publisher. If you are in buyer mode, click on your profile. A drop-down menu will appear. And from there, click on Switch to Publisher. You will be redirected to the Publisher dashboard. From the left panel of the dashboard, click on Earning. Click on the Transfer to Buyer button. A box will appear on your screen now. Here, enter your desired amount. And click Transfer. In the list below, you can now see the details of the amount sent to the buyer. Now to check if the sent amount has been received, then, click on your profile again. Now click on the Switch to Buyer button. From the left panel, click on Wallet. You can see the complete details of the amount sent through the publisher account.